Hello, kids. Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered? How do the sun, moon, and stars move? How do the craters on the moon's surface form? Let's explore these secrets together. Today, we will look at the sky and discover what's happening in space. But first, a question. How far away are the stars you see in the sky? Why do stars shine at night? Let's find out together. Here's the moon and the sun. But have you ever wondered why the moon looks different every night? The sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. Why is that? Let's solve the mystery behind these movements. And here's the moon. But have you ever wondered why there are so many craters on the moon's surface? How do these craters form? These craters are formed when meteors from space crash into the moon. That's how those huge craters are made. We can see both big and small craters on the moon with a telescope. But each of these craters tells a different story, don't you think? But here's another question. Why are there so many craters on the moon but fewer on Earth? Earth has an atmosphere, a layer of gas. So when meteors enter the atmosphere, most of them burn up and don't hit the ground. But the moon has no atmosphere, so meteors crash directly onto the moon's surface, creating craters. How can we compare the differences between the moon, sun, and Earth? The moon is much smaller than Earth and covered in rocks. The sun is a huge star. So how do the movements of these celestial bodies affect our daily life? For example, why does the moon's shape change? Have you ever wondered about that? When you watch the moon in the sky at night, have you ever wondered why its shape changes? The moon has different phases because as it orbits Earth, different parts of it are lit up. With space journeys, we've gotten a closer look at the craters on the moon's surface. Astronauts landed on the moon and walked inside those huge craters. What do you think it would be like to visit the moon? What kind of spaceship would be needed to travel to the moon? Today, we explored the craters on the moon's surface and celestial bodies. But there are still many questions, right? Exploring space and learning new things is so exciting. Let's find out more answers to questions in our next adventure. Don't forget to keep being curious because every question leads to a new discovery.